Let's try to get full screen working. I do this every couple of years. Never remember how. Um, I know it has something to do with some guest editions CD. I'm thinking you go to devices and insert guest editions CD. Do anything? Let's see. So let's have left click, insert guest editions. It's another left click. Oh, oh. So this error message, I believe, means you've already got the CD installed. So let's see if we can close this. Nice. Optical drives, left click. Remove disk from virtual drive, left click. Um, left click on force on mount. And then let's go back to devices. Left click. Go down to insert guest editions. Left click. It works just fine. I run some software, but I don't think it's really doing what we want. Usually there's some sort of setup that needs to get done. In this case, I found some web page here, which gave some commands on how to install this dbus X11 and virtualbox-dkms. Minimize that by clicking left click on the minimize bar. I went and left click on text editor. I put it into a text editor here. Here's the page if you want that. So all installs almost always start with an update and an upgrade. Okay. Right click, copy. Right here in the background, right click, open terminal, then right click, paste, hit a return, password. Okay, just enter the password, hit enter. It's running. Let's see what this dbus X11 does. It's some sort of messaging program. C, right click, paste, enter. Okay, that seemed to be painless enough. And now if you just triple click here, another way of doing this cut and paste, triple click, go to the window that you want to go to, paste into, and the middle mouse wheel, click that, hit return, enter, and so it looks like I've already got that installed from other tries that failed. All right, now the next step, go back to this page here, is to install the guest editions. Okay, so we want to do, seems like it ran something, but I don't think it did really. Maybe it will now that we've got those those files installed. So let's do this again. Remove disk, force unmount. All right, those were all left clicks. Device, left click, insert guest editions, left click. It's running software, but I still don't know if it did what we wanted it to do. Seemed like it wasn't quite there. Well, let's open up this route with the terminal, making it bigger. Do an ls slash. What do we got down here? We got a CD route. So ls slash. Okay. I double click on that. Now I middle click, hit the enter. Now there's nothing there. That was too obvious. Let's see, slash. I think the right answer was one of these other guys, media. Double click, middle click, enter. Oh, that's promising. So up arrow to get the previous command, tab, tab. That's the tab key. Tab. Ooh, that looks nice. Oh, autorun. Whenever we can actually do this. Okay, just type that. Control A. Delete, delete, delete. Enter. Oh, that did something. Hit the enter, and now it says enter our password. Enter password, hit enter. Do you wish to continue? Oh, all good. I like all good. Let's hit a yes. All right. Let's wonder if just Y works. And we'll go with yes. So it's copying, it's installing, it's doing all sorts of magic things. This is encouraging. Wonder how long this is going to take. It's already been 7 minutes and 37 seconds. I would kind of like to drop the video, then wait. Press enter to close this window. Okay, so that's done. All right, now let's sudo type that sudo for super duper or something like that. And reboot. So hit enter. Spinning wheel. It's been 8 minutes and 50 seconds. It's ugly. That's better. That's encouraging. Fingers crossed. It's been 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, let's skip this. And skip this. Left click. Let's skip. No, you really want that? No. Oh, you're gonna fail. Let me again. Okay, force quit. Okay. Right click. Display settings. Well, I've got all these lovely things, but nothing I really want. Let's see if we can get this one. Fly. Maybe if we change it, I don't know what's going on. Um, okay, just left clicking here. Let's keep these changes with left. Okay, I gotta figure out how to get to full screen. So I'm gonna shift print screen for now and then start up in a little bit. Oops. Click over here, and then outside of the Ubuntu, and then shift. Okay, still trying to get full screen to work. Let's start this guy going again. I found something that says I need to hit HOST+F. The host is the right control key. So let's see if that works. Hello, are you doing anything? Hope so. Okay, so here we have a small window. Skip. Skip. Okay, so let's Control F. See what happens. Control F. Switch. Oh, is that what we like? I think so. Right click. Alright, open terminal. Uh, there it is. Looks good. Okay, done. Shift print screen. Keep forgetting I have to go outside and then shift.